Cadillac STS Repairs and Service. The Cadillac Motor Car Division is a division of the American automobile manufacturer General Motors Company that designs and builds luxury vehicles. Its major markets are the United States, Canada, and China. Cadillac models are distributed in 34 additional markets worldwide. The 2011 Cadillac STS is a luxury sedan produced by General Motors under the Cadillac brand. Here's some information about the 2011 Cadillac STS. The Cadillac STS Seville Touring Sedan is a luxury sedan, and regular maintenance is essential to keep it running smoothly. Here are some general service recommendations for a Cadillac STS. Oil change. Change the engine oil and replace the oil filter at regular intervals. Follow the manufacturer's recommendations for the type of oil and the frequency of oil changes. Fluid checks. Regularly check and top up essential fluids such as transmission fluid, brake fluid, power steering fluid, and coolant. Brake inspection. Inspect the brake system, including brake pads, discs, and brake fluid. Replace brake components as needed. Tire maintenance. Rotate tires regularly and ensure they are properly inflated. Check the tire tread depth and replace tires if they are worn. Battery check. Inspect the car battery for corrosion and ensure it is securely mounted. Check the battery's condition and replace it if necessary. Air filter replacement. Replace the engine air filter periodically to ensure optimal engine performance. Spark plug replacement. Replace spark plugs at the recommended intervals for improved fuel efficiency and engine performance. Alignment and suspension check. Check the wheel alignment and inspect the suspension components for wear. Address any issues to ensure proper handling. Exhaust system inspection. Inspect the exhaust system for leaks and damage. Replace any worn-out components. Check engine light diagnostics. If the check engine light is illuminated, perform diagnostics to identify and address any issues. Scheduled maintenance. Follow the manufacturer's recommended scheduled maintenance tasks outlined in the owner's manual. It's important to note that specific service intervals and recommendations can vary based on the model year and specific engine configuration of your Cadillac STS. Always refer to the vehicle's owner's manual for the manufacturer's recommended maintenance schedule and procedures. If your Cadillac STS is still under warranty, consider having maintenance and repairs performed by an authorized Cadillac service center to ensure compliance with warranty terms. For any specific issues or diagnostics, it's advisable to consult with a qualified mechanic or Cadillac dealership.